To add an anchor to a page, for example, on this page, I need to have a menu on top. Now that menu, I will click an anchor, or I will click a menu, then it slides me to this section. I click again, it slides me to this. Click again, it slides me. Click again, it slides me until I get all this. To do that, you first have to create a menu. To create a menu, you have to create it with you will have to create a menu with custom links. And this is how you are going to do it. Go to the dashboard, go to menu, and here there are two ways to do this. You can either go to this or you go to customize. Under customize, go to menus. From menus, shall create a new menu which is called anchor menu. So I will go to next, then I will add the pages. Instead of adding these pages, I will use custom links where I put this one here. I put here hash, then I put section 1. I add that one, hash section 2, depending on the pages you need. You may not name them as sections. You can add, maybe you have created like a contact form, mostly a one page which has a contact form, about us, etc. So I can add here again. Then I put like section 2, 3. I add, put the hash section 4, section 4, then lastly section 5. After that, publish it. After publishing, go to your page or go and create a menu. To create a menu, come to this templates, then theme, open a new tab. After that, create on header. Let me first delete this. Create on header, click on header, then add a new. When you have created the header, divide it into 3 times. Put here button, contact us, then put here the menu, then here put here the logo. Get an image, click on it, look for the logo, for example this one, select it, set and add a link to a logo. Dynamic site URL, update, add the conditions, entire site, save. So we are going to set up this now. Reduce the size of this, the spacing, align it to the middle. We can add the background color to any, either red, or we can use this one, or you can use any of this. So right now I'm using red. I can set it to sticky top. So I want to click on this. You can even set that, for example, that one, then hover, we can put like white, remove the underline. So once you click on section 1, section 2, sections, it takes you to their respective sections. Like let's just say this section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. So what we are going to do, we go back to our menu. Our customer is this one here. So under this one, under you put hash, then you said section 1. Open this one also where there is URL, you put section 2. This one also you put section 3. Next, section 4. Do not remove the hash. Section 5. So after that, update. After updating, refresh your page. Hope you can see now our menu here. So what we are going to do is to add now the anchor. So the first one for section 1, add here a section. Make sure it is full width and no gap. Under that section, search for anchor. Here it is. Drop it there. Then, for example, on the now here you can add section 1. The one you had set here, for example, this one here, or you can just copy this one. You come, you paste here. Then now you will, because now if you close this, there is that white line. To remove that white line, click on this section, then lock the margin, then put -4 margin. It will disappear. So that will go copy this one, go to the next section, paste it there. This one change to section 2. Add this one also, -4. Go to the next, paste it there, change the anchor to 3. Add the below section -4. This one, paste the anchor, put this one -5. Like that. So what we are going to do now, we are going to preview our page, and we see that when you click on this, it takes you to a section. Click on this, takes you. Click on this, takes you to each section respectively. This is what we mean. Once you click on section 5, it brings you to this section. Sorry. Section 4. Let us see what could be the problem. Here there is section 4. How about in the anchor? Did we set section 4, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4? This is section 4. Then we can copy this and we bring it down here to section 5. Put this one to section 5 and update. Then we see what will happen. So when you click on section 1, it is already there. Section 2, section 1 takes you to the top page. Section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. 1 takes you up. So that's how you can create an anchor menu. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.